Hi all, in this tutorial we are going to talk about importing brushes into Photopea. So right now when we're using our brush tool, we have the option of circles and some other brushes that are out there. But in the world of any type of photo editing or any type of art, digital art in general, there's always free things that we can download and free brushes that we can work with. So to get started, we're going to create a new project. We are going to go to Screen, and we're going to choose that second option, XGA, and hit Create. We're now going to click on our brush tool and drop down right here and drop this menu down, and then you're going to see load.abr file. So this is where we would click to install our new file. But first we have to talk about where you're going to get that file from. So I have just went ahead and I have done a Google search for free Photoshop brushes. And I would recommend that you use the brusheasy.com. You could use a different site, but I highly recommend this one. It is well tested, well recommended. So you can see options here. So I'm just going to try, oh man, see there's so many options you can just like overwhelm yourself. I'm going to try this bubble one. So I'm going to go ahead, it says it's a free download. I'm going to click on the free download. And it does come in a zipped file, so I'm going to show this in my download file. I am actually going to go to I'm going to copy this folder, and I'm going to put it in my downloads, and I'm actually going to make a new folder called brushes, just because I end up with a lot of items over the course of the school year on my computer. You would not necessarily have that. Yours would be right in your downloads, and now you can do this next step right here, right in your downloads. So you can do this step right in your downloads. I created a separate folder. You don't have to. So I have this brush folder. I'm going to say extract here. And this is now that ABR file that I'm referring to. So you, from here, click load ABR, you would be going to your downloads. I am going to go to my documents and go into that brush folder. So now when I come over here and I scroll down, this is my bubble brush. Now you can see that a lot of times the sizes on these brushes are very, very large. And it should let me change the size. It's being a little contrary here. There we go. As well as the color. And I'm not sure if I mix it with another color depending on how this brush works. If it'll pick up that pink color. No, it won't. So that was an example. Now what's fun is you can still, the brush window or panel that we talked about yesterday with the scatter and the color dynamics. So now I am mixing the colors. I could also change that scatter. Let's see. Change my diameter. Seems to be lagging a little. There we go. Okay, so I want you to download a brush and then install that new brush and use it. You're welcome to do as many as you want. You don't have to do the bubbles. I just did the bubbles as an example. I will go ahead and I will kind of repeat it and do another example. I will do some cracks. And again, you are going to extract yours right inside of your downloads folder. I move mine just because I have so much. And when you download, you don't know, depending on the date of the file that's inside of here, it could not show up in your recent downloads. So here you would be choosing an extract here. So here's my brush. Oh, hold on, I'm recording. All right, so Mr. Bradley came in to say hello. So here is our cracked brush that I had just downloaded. So I'm going to go back to Photopea and I will review how to install that brush. And then I can go up here, drag this down. So here are all my bubble brushes, and now here's all my cracked brushes. And you can see, again, they're really big sizes, so go ahead and take those down. And there's an example of the crack. So I would like to see you try a unique brush. You're more than welcome to do several, but at least one. And then, of course, you're going to take a screenshot of this and put that on your slide. Have a great day.